Okay, if you say so. Listen, if you have priced window treatments lately, you know that they can be astronomical. Diane has promised me an easy design, looks fairly simple. Tell me what we're going to put up here.
I think the perfect treatment for this room is a cornice, and we'll use a fabric covered cornice, so we'll actually cover it with fabric and a little bit of trim to give it a dressy look and to pull the room together. We don't have any privacy issues as far as needing to cover the windows and no sun issues, obviously. So this is the perfect room for a cornice.
And you don't mind if with this size, I mean that's 118 some odd inches, so I can put a seam in it.
No problem, you can put a seam because we'll cover it with fabric.
Okay. All right, now, before you go on, you just said that. I know I can build this. I can't cover it with fabric. I can't make it look good.
If you can build it, I can help you dress it out.
Well, then let's do it.
Great.
We start with 1/2-inch plywood ripped down to 24 inches and connect 2 pieces with metal mending plates to stretch to the 118-inch length that we need. Next, we lay out the arch Diane wants, and I cut that out with a jigsaw. These sides will hold it off the wall, and the header, made from scrap molding, will keep the top rigid. As soon as I bring the frame inside, Diane goes to work wrapping it in upholstery batting. The fabric is stapled along the back edge of the header and then folded back over to cover the cornice before we lay it face down so she can finish attaching the fabric to the back side. The corners will take a little more care. She also covers the back with plain white fabric so the neighbors can't tell it's homemade. Hot glue secures the decorative fringe along the lower edge, and L brackets hold this weekend project in place on the wall.